In the playground where laughter began, you and I side by side building castles in the sand. From the first day we met, a friendship so pure, little did we know it would endure. Through the highs and lows, we stood hand in hand, growing up together like footprints in the sand. But somewhere along the way, the feelings grew from friends to lovers, me and you. From playground pals to something more, our hearts collided, love knocking at the door. Through the years of friendship, a flame did ignite. Now we dance together in love's sweet light. Remember the days of secrets we'd share, in the treehouse dreaming without a care. Through teenage troubles and endless talks, our connection deepened like sidewalk chalk. Through the highs and lows, we stood hand in hand, growing up together like footprints in the sand. But somewhere along the way, the feelings grew from friends to lovers, me and you. From playground pals to something more, our hearts collided, love knocking at the door. Through the years of friendship, a flame did ignite. Butterflies flutter, a new chapter start. Our friendship's journey, a map of the heart. From innocent glances to a love so true, our story unfolds, me and you, hand in hand. From the past to the now, our friendship turned love a sacred vow. In the book of us, a beautiful page, from childhood friends to love's sweet stage. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. Hey besties, welcome to this amazing channel. I'm hoping that you all are doing fine, okay? I started the vlog even without introducing myself. I started by showing you around because I happened to change my living room setup and I really loved it. So I stepped out to also restock some things that I didn't have in the house, and I'm hoping that you're going to enjoy this video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ruth. You're so much welcomed and I'm so happy to see you here. Please consider subscribing, like, share, comment, and drop a comment in the comment section. Oopsie, I just said that twice. Okay, anyways, enjoy.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.
So besties, this is what I managed to get. I have a bag of toiletries down here. Yeah, I just wanted to tell you that I bought this huge bread because I'm hosting in the evening. I'll have visitors for prayers here in my house, so that's why I got a huge bread. Don't just wonder. Yeah, that's why I got this huge bread and a box of milk because I'll be hosting.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild. so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Is it only me? Do you feel I'm sinking? Trying desperately. Something changed here. You don't see it, but I can feel it everywhere. It's funny how things change in an instant. Doesn't take much thinking, but everyone can feel it in the air. Do you know I'm fading from you? I can't say it, I hate the truth, boy. See it on my face, I made up my mind. Not another day, you're on borrowed time. Let me get away, yeah I'm running. So love me or leave me, I'm standing alone. Can't shake a feeling that lives in my bones. Lie to me, tell me you wish that you could, but nothing you gave me is worth what you took. 'Cause baby, when I'm gone for good. shit down, saying you're in love. I could go without, let me get away. It's over now, it's over now. So love me or leave me, I'm standing alone. Can't shake a feeling that lives in my bones. Lie to me, tell me you wish that you could, but not.
Hey besties, it's a beautiful morning. It's so cold. In fact, it rained around 6 a.m. around there, but right now it's very cold. So I want to make breakfast. Today's on a Saturday. I have a lot of things to do. I don't know if I'm gonna rest today, but I will try as much as possible to create time to have my own me time, because that is what I normally do on Saturday. Okay, I'll give you my weekly routine later, but right now just woken up, freshened up. I'm feeling so grateful. I want to go make breakfast and yeah, sit down and enjoy with my babies, and then we see what we will do next. But today is really packed up, so I'm hoping that you are enjoying this video. Let's head to the kitchen, make some breakfast, enjoy yourself, and as we continue to vlog.
Sometimes I still hear your voice. It's telling me you'll catch my fall. So how do I feel the ground? I wear my heart, you wear a crown. Wish I wasn't late to know. Stars don't shine when there's only satellites. I feel like hell and you're in paradise. I'm so glad and yet I'm not. I was too blind to know. I fell harder than I thought when I fell for a demon.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud.
So I got wrapping papers. These are 4 pieces. I bought 5 because they look so small and tiny. I don't know if they will be able to cover the whole package. And then I also printed my girls' homework. So here is the package I got from Mwes handbags, but here it's written like a bag. So I bought it from on an Instagram online shop, Moist Handbags. You can go and check them out. So I want to unwrap this because I want to wrap it in a gift wrapper so that it looks so nice and also presentable. So let's do that.
Itakupea bag.
This is how it looks like. It's dark maroon.
Hey! Ayan nice. Ulitan yun. Mom, later.
Come with this. Oh wow. An ID holder and
Later,
some
Mom.
of your
Sure.
stuffs.
Mom, should let.
And it's so big.
Mom.
Jiona shuka hapo. It comes with a sling. You can either tie the sling or carry it like this. Tatu, I forgot to buy a cell tape.
Sorry,
Oh
because
my gosh. Ai, tutafunga na nini? Give them. Hey besties, I'm from outside. I went by the roadside to get a package from handbag_Moist. I had ordered a handbag for someone special who is turning 50 years on planet Earth. Hey, 50 years. God, I'm here. Someone special is turning 50 years and it's a group gift. We decided to get her a handbag and it looks so good. As you have seen, I've already like wrapped it in a gift wrapper and put it in this carrier bag for easy carrying and all that. So I want to rest a little bit. I want to have 30-minute or an hour nap before we get ready to go to the party, so that we can just a small celebration so that we can hand it over to her. I'm so happy, I'm so excited about that. I can't wait to turn 50 years. Oh my gosh, it's a good feeling. I know it's a good feeling. I guess it's a good feeling to turn 50 good years. You're still strong, you're so healthy, you are shining and everything, you know. Just like I was telling God, I'm here waiting for those 50 years. Anyways, I'm so happy for her. She's someone special to me, and yeah, I'm not gonna, I don't know if I will take you like I will vlog that part, because I really respect her and I also respect people's privacy. If it's okay, I'll do that. If not, again, yeah, itaisha hivyo. So right now I wanted to say today's on a Saturday. I moved my rotting days from Thursday to Friday. Yeah, let me just give you a small routine of how my week goes. So I moved my rotting days from Thursday to Friday so that I can start my weekend early and everything. So on Monday, I normally do a weekly reset, just cleaning the house, putting the house in order, thorough cleaning. I used to do it on Friday, but now that my Friday is my rotting day, I moved it to Monday. So that is when I get to clean the house, thorough clean the house, I change the beddings, I do everything on Monday. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday are work days. If I have work to do, if I have a video to edit, if I have to film and everything, I do it within those 3 days. Okay. On Friday is now the day that I wrote. I do nothing. The only thing I do is cook and eat, just lazy around and rest. Saturday, the day that I chill with my girls, we do homework, we bond and everything. And also it's the day that sometimes I get to go out, just go for a walk, have a meet time, have a meeting with myself, you know, just relax, me alone. And then also Saturday is the day that I sit down and do my spiritual things, you know, if it's singing, if it's reading the Bible, praying and everything, just getting ready for Sunday. Sunday after church, I'm just in the house chilling with the family. So that is how my week literally goes. Yeah, so today has been so intense because I had errands to run, picking the package and just getting ready. It has been so intense. That's why right now I want to have a 30-minute rest of 1 hour before we now step out to go and celebrate 50 years on planet Earth. I'm just hoping that you guys are enjoying this video. If it's a first time here, you're so much welcomed. I really appreciate the support. Kindly consider subscribing, like this video, share me out, and also drop a comment in the comment section, and I'll really appreciate. I don't know if I'm gonna continue. I don't know if I will tutaenda. If not, it is well. Okay, so hey besties, today's on a Monday. My hair is so bad. I want to undo it. Yeah, the celebration went on so well. Yesterday was on a Sunday and I had a very messy day. I was so sick. So today the first thing I did was going out for checkup. I did my weekly reset, 50-50, but I'm super grateful for what I've done because my head is still paining. So I went to the hospital and I was checked. My HB, my blood level is down. My heartbeat is also down. Is it heart down or low? Heartbeat and blood level is down. So I was given some syrup for the blood, and then I was told to drink a lot of water for the heart, of which I do that. I drink a lot of water, but anyways, I just don't know. I don't know what's causing my heartbeat to be low, but I'm hoping and praying for the best that it will be back to its normal rate, you know, normal heart rate. Okay, so I just came here to sign out of the vlog, and I'm hoping that you have enjoyed it. So this comes to the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching, for the support. I really appreciate. I don't take it for granted, and probably I'll be seeing you on our next video. Just make sure you stay real and also you keep peace.